As of January 2021, there were 4.6 billion active internet users worldwide. This is 59.6% of the global population, and of these, 92.6%, which is equal to 4.32 billion people, accessed the internet via mobile devices. By now, a world without the internet is unimaginable. Connecting billions of people worldwide, the internet is a core pillar of the modern information society. Question: in a world so changed like this, how can you use the internet to grow your business? Then you need to understand digital marketing. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is also called online marketing, and it's a type of marketing that uses electronic devices to advertise products or services to people on the internet. Digital marketing can be through different channels such as websites, search engines, for example Google or Bing, social media platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram or Twitter, emails, mobile apps, and many more. So let's talk about ads. Ads can be in form of text such as blog posts and links, images especially on Pinterest and Instagram, videos for example on YouTube, and infographics. Well, you may ask, what's the essence of all this, digital marketing and stuff? Well, the aim is to discover customers, understand them, interact with them, and attract them to purchase their product or service, and so doing the increase in the brand's awareness. Whether it's a digital product such as an ebook, a course, or a webinar, or a physical product such as a car or a mobile phone, it's all the same aim. Well, what's the model that these companies use? Well, ads are shown to people with similar and related interests, and so most of them are targeted, making this form of marketing more efficient than its counterpart, the traditional marketing, which is through newspapers, billboards, magazines, TV, just name it. So guys, I want you to stay with me because I have a bonus for you. So what are some of the types of digital marketing? We have SEO, which is called search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, pay-per-click, and email marketing. So let's go through the details of each slowly. First, search engine optimization. Now this is also called SEO. It is defined as the art and science of making web pages, optimize them to look more attractive to search engines so they can be displayed on the first search results page. Now this page is also called the search engine results page, which is also called SERP, and it's that page that you see first on any website when you search for anything in any search engine. Take it that you are searching on Google for a word, for example digital marketing. The first page that you will see is called the search engine results page, or SERP. SEO requires you to do a lot of research and weigh different contribution factors to achieve the highest possible ranking. Take note of the following when you are optimizing your web pages: the quality of the content, the level of user engagement, mobile friendliness, number and quality of inbound links, and these are backlinks and occur when another website links back to your site. There are a lot of SEO tools that can help you, such as idea generation tools, keyword research, and many more. Visit semrush.com for more details because they have the best tools for digital marketers and agencies. It's very easy to use, transparent, and you have access to the great team ready to help you increase your income every single day. And you can open up for a free account, and the link will be in the description below. So another type of digital marketing is content marketing. The goal of content marketing is to attract leads that ultimately convert into customers. So this might be through digital video, case studies, blog posts, infographics, and they do not explicitly promote a brand, but is intended to stimulate interest in its products or services. Now, according to a report made by a website called Vinage, after surveying over 200 marketers in 2020, 40.8% of customers came from original infographics. 23.7% of customers from videos and presentations including courses and SlideShare. 15.4% of customers from charts and data visualizations. 8.9% from stock photos. 8.4% from multiple documents such as ebooks and so on. So when you look at this, you know that content marketing is a very wide topic that's kind of used now. And content marketing writers need to be able to rank highly in the search engine optimization, pages while also engaging people who watch or read their material. When the content is relevant, it can establish a strong relationship that can generate leads that may turn into customers. Well, another type of digital marketing is social media marketing. Well, social media marketing means driving traffic and increasing brand awareness by engaging people in posts in form of images or videos or stories or discussions online. The most popular platforms of social media marketing are Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Social media marketing offers built-in engagement metrics which are extremely useful in helping you to understand how well you are reaching your audience. With the increasing technology, this is the biggest type of digital marketing, and it still exists for some good time to come. Another type of digital marketing is pay-per-click marketing. Now, this is also called PPC, and it basically refers to posting an ad on a platform and paying some amount of money every time someone clicks on that ad. People can see your ad when they search about something that's relevant to the keyword that you are dominating at. When the search is relevant, Google or Bing displays the ad at the top of the search engine results page, also called the SERP. An algorithm prioritizes each available ad based on the number of factors, including ad quality, keyword relevance, landing page quality, and bid amount. Each PPC or pay-per-click campaign has one or more targeted actions that viewers are meant to complete after clicking an ad. These actions are known to be conversions, and they can be transactional or non-transactional. For example, making a purchase is a conversion, but so is a newsletter sign-up or a call made to your home office. Whatever you choose as your target conversions, you can track them via your chosen platform to see how your campaign is doing through Google Analytics. And there are so many other features that are available in the market that you can use to track your ad performance. Another type of marketing is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing where an online retailer or a business pays a commission to a third-party marketer, the promoter, to promote their product or service through referral links or promotional links, which can be tracked using tools called cookies. Some cookies last for as much as 120 days, and so any transaction made by the customer in that period is seen as valid. Some retailers pay even for sign-ups, so an affiliate is expected to find channels in order to present the product to customers, and this works best for affiliates with a high-rank website or a social media following. By the time of recording, October 2021, solely in the US, there are over 11,400 affiliate programs. Another type of marketing is email marketing. With email marketing, you can send a promotional message and hope that your prospect clicks on it or might want to know more and further the research. Email marketing helps you to easily drive traffic back to your website or social media channel, but consent must be taken because you have to make sure that you have an option to unsubscribe, make sure that the messages are user-friendly, make sure that you are engaging with the message, it's not 100% promotional, and make sure that the message clearly states the reason why, and it must be authentic. You don't want your prospects to see the campaign as a promotional tool, but rather as a valued service. So email marketing is a proven, effective technique all on its own, and 89% of surveyed professionals named it as their most effective lead generator. Well, great. And we have looked at those 6 types of content marketing, but I have a question for you guys. Kindly answer for me this question in the description below. Which of the types of marketing do you think is most effective? Put your answers in the description below. Now guys, I told you that I have a bonus for you, and here it is. I want you to know more about the benefits of digital marketing. Well, let's look at them. 1. It creates a wider geographical reach. When you post an ad online, people can see it no matter where they are, provided that you haven't limited your ad geographically, and so this increases your brand awareness. Cost efficiency. It's very efficient. It's a very efficient form of marketing because it not only reaches a broader audience, digital marketing gives quantifiable results. With the advanced tools available, you can track where your customers are coming from, their age, their gender, and more demographics. In easy to understand analytics, it's easier to personalize your content. Digital marketing creates stronger connections with your customers because it lets you communicate with your customers in real time and interchangeably. It also lets them connect and build a relationship relationship with you. Another great advantage is that it's easy and convenient to have conversions. Digital marketing makes it easy for your customers to take action immediately after viewing your ad or content. They might not make a purchase immediately, but they will stay connected with you and give you a chance to interact with them even further. In conclusion, digital marketing should be one of the primary focuses of almost any business overall marketing strategy. Never before has there been a way to stay such in a constant contact with your customers, and nothing else offers the level of personalization digital data can provide. And again, guys, don't forget, kindly answer for me that question: which one of the following types of digital marketing do you think is most effective? Thanks for watching. As always, let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and to turn on notifications not to miss out on any other new content. Bye bye.